Welcome to everybody. I am Faisal Ahmed. First of all, my thanks to Silver Dollar Financial Public Speaking Scholarship Authority. Avoid receiving or making phone call, texting, commenting while driving. This may send you to the land of death or to make you burden for family. It is seen that using mobile phone while driving, speaking with others, texting, messaging, commenting on a photo should be avoided. A single moment can save or ruin one. Accident can take away valuable lives and part of body. Resting on a wheelchair so painful. Viewers, look, I am overtaking but using the wrong lane. Very dangerous. Avoid this mentality while driving. From the Bumps Road, I am taking the highway but turning with wrong side. Avoid this while driving.